Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I customize my Samsung Galaxy phone with OneUI, especially on how to customize my display. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first thing first, I'm going to go to my settings and then open up the Galaxy themes to customize my display. Go to the settings and then go to the themes, and here we'll be able to customize our wallpaper and then icons and also the themes of our phone. First of all, I'm going to change my apps icon. I'm going to go to the icons and we can search for specific icon that we want. I'm just going to search for the cute icon and I'm going to filter it to top free so I can get the free icon from the Samsung Galaxy theme. And then I'm just going to choose for instance this one. Okay, and we can download the icon before we apply it to our phone, and here I have downloaded this icon and I'm going to click on apply. Okay, just wait for a moment, and then now the icon has been applied to my phone and I'm going to change my wallpaper. I'm going to go to the settings again and go to the Galaxy theme, but I'm going to go to the wallpaper section. Okay, I'm going to search for the aesthetic wallpaper. Wait, I'm going to filter it to top free. I'm going to select this one, click on download, and after the wallpaper has been downloaded, we can apply it to our phone. And here we can choose where to apply. We can apply it to lock screen or home screen or both of them, and I'm going to apply it to both of them. Click on apply. Okay, wait guys, click on done and wait for a moment. All right, and I'm going to go back, and this is the final result. As you can see that my phone looks better than before, right? Alright guys, and that's all the way to customize Samsung Galaxy phone's One UI, especially on how to customize our display. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.